I'm gonna share something with you. It's very practical, but it is the 3-minute touch that changes everything. And here's the thing, if you're watching this video and maybe your woman, your girl, she's just not feeling it with you, she's coming up with every excuse under the sun, or you know the signs. When you touch her, she flinches, she's just like, or her body just goes cold, or she distracts you. She's like, oh yeah, we need to do this with the house, by the way. Or have you heard of that restaurant? You can sense that she's deflecting from the moment. She's trying to disassociate. She's trying to pull herself from that intimate moment with you. Well, we are gonna get her back in your good graces and her good graces, and I'm gonna tell you how to touch her, and it's just 3 minutes, and I promise if you do this, it will soften her. She will come back to you, because a woman, here's the thing, we're all wired for connection. We're all wired to be touched, to be loved, to be nourished. I don't care what people say. I have a girlfriend, she says, I hate touch. And I'm like, no, something happened in your childhood, and that's why you don't like it. But we all crave it. We're biologically wired for it. How do we know this? Because when we were babies and we came out the vajayjay and we were going, and we were crying, and then our mother came and held us and rocked us and cooed us and did all those things that we needed. Guess what? It soothed our nervous system. And we think now we are just so high and mighty that we don't need that anymore. That is horse shh. And you know it and I know it. Now, I might be a bit cryptic in this video because I shared with you guys about what happened with me and YouTube. I got demonetized, so now I have to be very PG about what I say. But you know, I always give you my courses and stuff where I just keep it really real. And if you're like, how do I even find out what you are talking about? The real Arica Angelo? Well, sign up for my 7 free exercises to boost your bedroom confidence. Sign up for that. You'll get on my email list and you can find all the real that I talk about. So here's the thing. The reality is, when you are consistent with this 3-minute move, what is going to happen is it's going to start bringing her back to safety. It's going to start registering in her body that you are the one that brings comfort, you bring nourishment, and you bring ease to her body. When you start training her body that you are the person that brings that to her, eventually the body starts calming down. She becomes more receptive to your touch. And eventually her brain catches up. Typically, our brains catch up later. Counter to what we've been taught, our body holds so much information. And so when you can make her body feel safe, she will come back to you and the brain will follow up. So this is what you're going to do. You're gonna start by just coming and saying, listen, I feel like I haven't been as attentive to you lately. I feel like I haven't been giving you the care that you need. Because if you just come and start touching her for 3 minutes, she's like, Bill, what the hell is going on? And so you want to make sure that you preface it by saying, like, I feel like I haven't cared for you in a while. And this is a 3-minute touch. First, you're going to make it super chill. Nothing dramatic. You're just gonna start playing with her hair. You're gonna start telling her what you love about her hair. You can be massaging her head at the scalp. It could be just running your fingers through it. However she likes her hair to be played with, that's what you're gonna start doing. Touching the hair lets her know you're not going for her boobs, you're not going for her butt, you're not going for her vajayjay, you're not going for any of those places. This is truly about you caring. And really, when a woman, please pay attention, because I'm Arica Angelo. I tell you the stuff that your wife, your girlfriend, your friends are never gonna tell you, but you need to know this information. And the reality is, when we stop wanting to be intimate, or when a woman just doesn't want to be intimate with you because you're in the friend zone, whatever it is, when a woman's body does not feel cared for, she is not gonna open up the you know what down below. It's just not gonna happen. So when you start touching her hair, you let her know that this is sincerely because you care about her. The next thing you're gonna do is you're just going to begin to massage her shoulders. Why the shoulders? That's not very intimate, because we carry so much tension there. So then you're gonna start massaging her shoulders for a little bit, taking your thumbs, running them up and down her neck, just like that. So she's just like, okay, he's touched my hair and now he's massaging me. Now it's my neck. And so in a woman's mind, we start fighting. The brain starts kicking in, going, yeah, eventually he's coming to get something from me. That's what the brain starts saying. So then you want to psych the brain out. After you've done that, you come into this side, and this part of us is so delicate. And then you just start massaging there. You just gently take your fingers, not massage, but just run your fingers. And as you're doing that, you can tell her things that you love about her and how much you appreciate, and that what she does doesn't go unnoticed, or what you love about her. I can't tell you enough that us women, here's a secret, we love to know how we impact you. So when you're telling her all the things that make her meaningful in your life while you're doing this, bro, next level of where you will be in her eyes. Now, I'm gonna finish it up with this, but I do have a bundle. It's called The Art of Sensual Touch. It's gonna go much deeper than this. And it also comes with my seduction guide, because here's the thing. If you're just touching her nice, but you're not seducing her, then you can kind of get positioned into just the friend zone. And eventually, like, you guys need to be intimate. Why? We all need intimacy. It's good for our nervous system. It's good for our health. It's good for our mental health. It helps us feel more happy. It helps us feel more connected, which we all are feeling disconnected because we're so plugged into our phones. We all need to be being intimate with one another in a beautiful, healthy relationship. So you want to get that bundle. It's in the comment section. It's in the description. It's like $47 for both. Come on, it's cheaper than dinner. Don't be a tight ass, change your life, get it. It's in the comment section, in the description. So when you've done that and you've softened her up, you're saying how she impacts you. You're gonna get the seduction guide with the Art of Sensual Touch, and you're gonna start seducing her while she's doing it. Then you're gonna go to one last spot. So we've done the hair, we've done the shoulders, we've done the neck, you've done this, and then now she's probably warmed up to you, right? Now, I want you to sit across from her and say, just tell her to sit in Indian style. I don't know if you can see that I'm sit sort of an Indian style. But what you're gonna start doing is you're gonna start rubbing in between her inner thighs. Do not, say it with me, do not go by the hoo-ha. In fact, in the comments section, just so I know that we're fully clear, we're on the same page, I want you to write, do not go by the hoo-ha. Don't do it, because this is building trust. This is gonna make her come back to you emotionally and intimately. You're just gonna start rubbing in between her inner thighs, not by the hoo-ha. Why? Because what this does, low key, is it builds sensual, we'll call it sensual, because I can't say the word because we're 5 years old on YouTube. You're gonna build the sensual desire. It's gonna draw that out as you're touching her inner thighs. So the vajayjay is gonna start buzzing. It's gonna feel electricity. It's gonna start pulsating down there. It may even start to become a bit moist, but you're just gonna keep it there. Why? Because this is building trust with her. And because you're gonna start seducing her, this first time, this 3-minute touch technique is going to disarm her. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna start creating safety. She may even start confessing to you why she's pulled back from you. It's gonna create such a safe place that whatever's going on between you guys, this is gonna give her the courage to finally tell you what the F is going on. And then you can come back to me and be like, okay, Arica, she told me what the F is going on. Now what do I do? And of course, I will always have you. So try this on her and watch her body disarm. Watch her begin to open up. Watch her start to desire you once again sensually. And this 3-minute technique, this, I promise you, will change everything in your relationship. I love you so much. I've got you. Here's another video to support you because you know I like to support you guys. I'll see you in my next video.